From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the market for Ripple. Ripple has been in the headlines quite a bit as of late, and looking at the chart, you can see why. But right now, we are continuing to dance around the $3 level. The question now is, will the volume pick up enough to make this market break out? Now, I know most crypto enthusiasts hate to hear this, but really what you need here is Bitcoin to take off to the upside, and it will drag everything else with it. Ripple is a little bit different in the sense that it's got an actual utility use in the real world. And of course, there's a lot of news about banks right now. The United States is likely to move more friendly towards Ripple, and that's part of what you've seen recently. Because notice, right around the election of Donald Trump, this market went from 63 cents all the way up to $3.40. That's a massive move that needs to be digested. And I think that's what's happening now. There was $400 million worth of transactions in DEX over the DEX over the last month from what I just read. So that bodes well. I also believe that as the volume picks up, that's a good sign. But now we're just stewing with this, waiting for the next catalyst. We don't really have it yet, but it certainly looks like we will be heading in that way given enough time. So the final verdict on Ripple is, yes, it's bullish, and yes, it should be. But the question is, will you wait for a pullback in order to buy some? That's essentially how I've been treating this, because going all in up in this area could cause you quite a bit of heartache when the market ends up pulling back to the $2.20 level, which would be very reasonable in this environment. Just as likely than breaking above the $3.40 level and just ripping to the upside. So you have to keep in mind the volatility is what you like, but you also have to play it with a little bit of intelligence.